Hello everyone, this is Prashant, Administrator of Sankara Academy of Vision. I'm going to talk about the safety measures while commuting to work. The following slides might be familiar to you as we have begun doing it since the pandemic. However, this is just to recall the precautionary methods that we inculcated in our life. No matter which mode of transformation we choose for our daily work commute, there are steps which we can take to lower our COVID-19 risk. As we can firmly say that this contagious virus is everywhere. There are chances of getting infected by COVID from shops, temples, hotels, autos, buses, relative house, and hospitals as well. It is better to minimize or avoid our visits within neighborhood and anywhere. Let us ensure not to fall in love with corona. It is our responsibility to safeguard our fellow human beings. So let us pledge that before leaving home, I will keep others safe by filling up the employee self-declaration form every day. I will keep myself safe by wearing a fresh or cleaned mask before leaving home. And I will keep my family safe by changing the uniform at the hospital and carry a pocket hand sanitizer. So will you? Travel to work. Solo commuting is the safest way to travel right now. Disinfect frequently touched objects. Use diluted Lysol as per manufacturer's recommendation periodically. The primary contact points for the bikers are seat, mirror, handle, footrest, petrol knob, key and display area. And don't forget, while you are riding, please wear face mask and covered helmet and a pair of gloves. For the car drivers, seats, mirror, steering, escalator, brake and clutch, gearbox, seat belts and doorknobs. Importantly, perform hand wash as soon as you reach hospital or home. The most not avoidable thing is the mask is only to protect against COVID-19. You need a helmet to protect against accidents. Let us not boycott the road safety rules during this pandemic. Travel to work. Remember, the person next to you may be asymptomatic, which means showing no symptoms and may not know about it. Do not take off your mask while transporting. Instruct your fellow travelers to ensure physical distancing, keep all windows open, minimize conversation, avoid touching surfaces, wash hands or use sanitizer after reaching hospital or your home. Dispose the used gloves in red bin before you leave the hospital. Public transport. Buses and carpools are the places where people remain in close contact for an extended period of time. By commuting individually or only sharing a car with people you live with, you minimize your exposure to others and reduce your risk of disease. If unavoidable, sit alone, ensure physical distancing is maintained all the time till you get down from the vehicle. Wear your face mask throughout the journey. Ensure sufficient ventilation, keep nearby windows open, immediately wash your hands or use sanitizer once your journey is complete. Recent guidelines. Always keep yourself updated with the latest transportation guidelines. Refer to the Ministry of Health official webpage or the state government web portal. To summarize, wear mask throughout your journey. Maintain at least 1 meter or 3 feet between yourself and other people. Perform hand wash at the end of your journey. Ensure maximum ventilation in staff vehicle or bus extra. Refrain from touching mouth and nose. Avoid any stops and reduce travel to maximum extent. And furthermore, keep minimum verbal communication. If you are speaking through any sort of face wear, you are less likely to be heard. Better safe than sorry. Thank you.